Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to schedule Instagram posts and stories in 2025. So whether you are managing a brand, creator account or business page, scheduling is going to help you stay consistent without posting manually every single day. So let's go through the full process of it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for business.facebook.com. So it is going to redirect you on the Meta Business Suite page where you will have to log in with the help of your Instagram account. Now, your Instagram account will be visible over here as you can see. Now, click on the option of create post, and here you are going to be shown the post option here. You can also access that option by clicking on the content page. So when you click on the option of content, it is going to show you all of the content that you have previously published, that you have scheduled, or that is in the draft. So here simply click on the option of create post, and after that you will have to select the post from your PC or your laptop. When it will going to come here, you just have to select the date and the time at which you want to post this particular post. Then it is going to come here in your scheduled post section. You can also manually change the scheduled date here, or you can also publish it. Now similar is the case with the stories. When you click on the option of stories tab, it is going to show you the option of this plus icon. So here click on the option of this plus icon, then select the title of your story, then add the cover, then click on the option of create highlight. So once the story highlight is created, you can just simply upload your story and schedule it just like you did for your posts. So sometimes the Meta Business Suites looks very buggy. So you just have to keep on trying and refresh the page, and this way you will be able to schedule your posts and your stories over here in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.